All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're taking a look at something that seems really simple on the surface,
Yeah,
but we're going to find out that maybe it's a little bit more powerful
it might be.
than it appears. And we're talking about the redo function,
Redo,
the
yes.
keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Y.
Very important.
A lot of
So,
people don't know about it.
yeah, a lot of people know about undo Ctrl plus Z,
Right.
but how many people know about Ctrl plus Y?
And how useful it can be.
Now, on the surface, it seems like, okay,
Yeah.
you make a mistake, you hit undo, and then if you want to put it back, you hit redo.
Right.
But there's a little more to it than that.
Yeah, so like let's say you're writing a paragraph
Yeah.
and you decide, oh, I don't like that sentence. I'm going to get rid of it.
You delete it.
You delete it,
Yeah.
and then you're like, oh, shoot,
I need that sentence back.
I really needed that sentence for the flow.
Yeah.
So a lot of people would just retype the sentence,
Right.
but you don't need to.
You just hit Ctrl plus Y.
Control plus Y brings it right back.
Mhm.
Like a safety net for your safety net.
Exactly.
You're undoing your undo.
Yes. And it can be really powerful
Right.
when you're working on like bigger projects,
Yeah.
like more complicated stuff.
Like imagine you're working on like a graphic
Yeah.
and you accidentally delete a layer.
A whole layer.
You don't have to recreate that entire layer.
No.
Just Control plus Y and it's back.
It's back.
It's like a time machine
Yeah, it is.
for your
It's a digital time machine.
digital work.
Yeah, for real.
And
Yeah,
what
I was looking at the source material here,
okay.
and it says that you can actually
Oh yeah.
hit Ctrl plus Y multiple times,
Multiple times.
and it will keep redoing things.
So you can
If you
undo.
don't do 5 things.
You can undo like 10 things and then redo 10 things
Ah,
if you want.
that's crazy.
Yeah, it's really
So
powerful.
it's like a multi-level undo redo system.
It is.
Okay, but here's my question.
What if you haven't undone anything?
That's a good question.
Then what are you redoing?
You're not redoing anything.
So it seems like it's only useful.
It is only useful in conjunction with undo.
It's like their partner.
They're partners. They work
Yeah.
together.
Batman and Robin,
Yeah, exactly.
they got to be together to work.
Yeah.
They can't be alone.
They can't work alone.
Okay, so the big takeaway here is
The big takeaway is Ctrl plus Y is important.
it's more important
It's more important than you think.
than it seems.
It can really boost your productivity
and save you a lot of time.
and a lot of frustration.
And maybe can teach us something about life,
Ooh,
too.
interesting.
How often in life
Yeah.
do we give up
Too quickly.
after one mistake?
Yeah.
And maybe there's a Ctrl plus Y for life
Maybe.
that says, hey,
Keep going.
you made a mistake.
Try again.
Keep going.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.
See you later. Host speaker.